A suppressor doesn't make a gun silent. That's a Hollywood lie. Here's what's really happening. When you fire, burning gunpowder creates a massive ball of high-pressure gas. That gas explodes out the barrel and slams into the air. That slam is the bang you hear. So a suppressor screws onto the muzzle, and inside are a series of metal chambers called baffles. The gas rushes in, swirls, expands, and cools across each chamber. It bleeds out slow instead of cracking out fast. Quieter? Yes. Silent? Never. The bullet itself still breaks the sound barrier. Follow for your daily dose of cool stuff.